afternoon, children. Today let us continue with the 6th lesson, A Walk to Freedom. So in this lesson, yesterday we discussed about some of the great leaders who fought for the freedom of our country. Yes or no? So now let me show you some of the pictures of the great leaders who fought for the freedom of our country against the British. See, the first person is who? Everyone knows, we call it as a father of our nation. It is Gandhiji. And next is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next picture we see Bhagat Singh. And next is S.C. Bose. Okay, here on 13th April 1919, people gathered in Jallianwala Bagh Park in Amritsar protest against the arrest of the national leaders. So, the British army led by General O'Dwyer closed the entrance of the park and fired the Indians. More than 1,000 people killed and over twice that number wounded. This accident came to known as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. So just I'll show you the picture just here. So what happened on 13th April 1919? 13th April 1919, what has happened? Here some of the people, they gathered in a Jallianwala Bagh Park in Amritsar. Where this park is? This park is in Amritsar. There they gathered. Why they gathered? The reason they gathered is to protest the and some of the national leaders some of the national leaders were arrested by the British at that time. And at time lo kontamandi national leaders British వాళ్ళు అరెస్ట్ చేశారు ఆల్రెడీ. సో వాళ్ళని రిలీవ్ చేయడానికి what they did, they gathered here to have a meeting here. So what these Britishers did at that time, so when they came to know that some of the people they gathered in this park, so when they came to know what they did, see look at this picture, just what they did ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారో ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. So what they did, so see arrest to the national leaders. So the British army led by General O'Dwyer closed the center of the park and fired the Indians. So what they did, they closed the park gate main gate అనేది central gate ని close చేశారు ఆ టైంలో. When they closed it, what happened? After closing it, they fired at the Indians. When they fired at the Indians, see how they fired. So you can see how they are firing to the Indians. They fired at the Indians. More than 1,000 people killed and over twice the number wounded. More than 1,000 people were killed in this. మోర్ దెన్ 1000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ మందిని చంపేశారు ఆ టైంలో. అది కాకుండా ఆ 1000 కాకుండా మోర్ దెన్ ట్వైస్ దెన్ దిస్ దే వేర్ wounded మీన్స్ దే వేర్ వాట్ దే కాల్ ఇట్ as wounded. గాయాలు ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళకు గాయాలైనవి, చాలా మందికి గాయాలైనవి. ఇక్కడ 1000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ మంది అక్కడే చనిపోయినారనమాట బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫైర్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రిటిష్. సో దట్ మూమెంట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as now. So that movement they call it as the incident. So this incident came to known as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. So ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ని ఏమని గుర్తించారంటే, సో దట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ came to be known as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The incident came to be known as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. And this incident inflamed the anger of Indians, and Gandhiji declared non-cooperation movement against British. So here this incident inflamed means here many of the Indians, by listening this incident, they became very angry. So that without reason why they are killing so many Indians. Yes or no? So due to that, and that at the time Gandhiji what did? Gandhiji declared non-cooperation movement against British. Here again the British secretly shifted the General O'Dwyer to England because of the fear of attack towards him. But a great patriot named Udham Singh went to England and killed General O'Dwyer. See here, what these Britishers ante appudu Britishers vallu em chesaru? What these Britishers did? Britishers they were what they did means already they know that who it is the person The person O'Dwyer. The person O'Dwyer, for that person what they did? For that person they sent him to England. అంటే ఆ పర్సన్ O'Dwyer పర్సన్ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఆ పర్సన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్కి పంపించారు. బట్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ హియర్? ఇన్ ఇండియన్ see a great patriot named in Indian, a great patriot, so much intelligently, very event, the person name is Udham Singh. U-D-H-A-M, Udham Singh, S-I-N-G-H, Udham Singh. He is one of the great patriot. He went to England. What he did? He went to England and there he killed this person O'Dwyer. He went to England and he killed General O'Dwyer. And national leaders led several agitations. Here, Lala Lajpat Rai, who was called as Lion of Punjab, has been severely wounded and died because of the lathi blows of British while he was protesting against the Simon Commission. So here again one of the great leader also was killed by the British. His name is Lala Lajpat Rai. So how he is killed means actually he was wounded very severely. He was wounded severely and he was killed by the Britishers. అంటే బ్రిటిషర్స్ వాళ్ళే చంపేస్తారనమాట. చాలా గాయాలు అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువ అయినా అనమాట. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ he was wounded more by the Britishers. And here Lala Lajpat Rai is called as the Lion of Punjab. Is called as the Lion of Punjab. And next is here Gandhiji conducted Dandi March in 1930 in order to break salt laws. So here Gandhiji what he did? He conducted Dandi March in the year 1930. In the year 1930 in order to break salt laws. So in 1942 the famous Quit India movement started. In 1922 the famous Quit India movement was started. A resolution was passed on 8 August 1942 in Bombay by all Indian Congress Committee declaring its demand for an immediate end of British rule. The Congress decided to organize a mass struggle on non-violent lines on the widest possible scale. Gandhiji's slogan of "Do or Die, Karo ya Maro" inspired the nation. Every man, woman and child began dreaming of a free India. The last sort of agitation. See, again Gandhiji next what he did? First he started a Dandi March in the year 1930 to break the order against salt laws. To break the order against salt laws. Again next in the year 1942, what he did? The famous Quit India movement was started in the year 1942. 1942 లో ఇక్కడ Quit India movement start అయిందన్నమాట. So at that time, see a resolution was passed. ఆ టైంలో కొన్ని ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అనేవి పాస్ చేశారు. వాట్ దే సెడ్ అట్ ద టైం, అక్కడ ఏం చేశారంటే ఆల్ ది ఇండియన్ కాంగ్రెస్ వాళ్ళు ఒక కమిటీలో ఒక మీటింగ్ పెట్టారనమాట. సో వాట్ దే కెప్ట్ ఇస్ డిక్లేరింగ్ ఇట్స్ డిమాండ్ అండ్ ఫర్ అండ్ ఇమీడియట్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రిటిష్ రూల్. అంటే ఇక్కడ బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు మన దేశంలో నుంచి మనము బయటికి పంపించాలి ఎలాగన్నా. However, we have to send the Britishers from our country. So for that, whatever it is, we are ready to do. Like that, they declare some of the instructions to the people of Indians, and they were saying something here. So what they said here? So here Gandhiji's slogan. Gandhiji ఒక slogan పెట్టాడు అక్కడ. What it is? Do or die. Karo ya maro. Do or die హిందీలో చెప్పాడనమాట. Karo ya maro. Inspire the nation. Every man, woman and child began dreaming of a free India. So at that time, everyone were participated in this movement. ఈ మూమెంట్లో చాలా మంది పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ నో వన్ వాంట్స్ టు గో అండర్ ద బ్రిటిష్ రూల్. ఇక్కడ బ్రిటిష్ వరకు వెళ్తే ఎవరు పని చేయడానికి ఇష్టము లేకుండా ఎవరికి. బికాస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ దే హాస్ టు సే యువర్ ఇండియన్ షుడ్ డూ. విత్ దట్ నో వన్ విడ్ యూ హాస్ టు లైక్ ఇట్. ఇక్కడ ఇండియన్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఎవరికి నచ్చట్లేదు అనమాట. ఆ టైంలో వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తే అది వినాలా మనము అన్నట్ల. లైక్ దట్. సో after that, a large sort of agitations has been done by different leaders in which the Subhash Chandra Bose constituted an army named Indian National Army and fought against British. And not only that, again some of the different leaders, they started agitations here. Like Subhash Chandra Bose, he constituted an army named Subhash Chandra Bose, first person is constituted an army actually. Army named Indian National Army and fought against British. After the Second World War in 1947, August 15, India has been declared as a free country by the British. Here Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and Gandhiji was called as the father of our nation. So what happened after a great war and a great struggle in the year after the Second World War in the year 1947, August 15, India has been declared as the free కంట్రీ బై ద బ్రిటిష్. అంటే ఆ టైంలో బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఇండియా నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయారనమాట. ఎప్పుడైతే బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళందరూ మన కంట్రీ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయారో అప్పుడు మనకు ఫ్రీడమ్ అనేది దొరికింది అన్నట్టు. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ వీ గెట్ ద ఫ్రీడమ్. సో దట్ వీ సెలబ్రేట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? వీ సెలబ్రేట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే. Every year 15th of August we celebrate it as a Independence Day. August 15, yes or no? And at that time Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India.